back to my channel. My name is Kennedy, but you can call me Bougie Babe. And today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going on a date. I'm so excited. So I've already done my skincare routine, so that will be in the description box below. You can also see it on my blog, bougiebabe.blog. That will also be in the description box below. So right now we're just going to be doing my hair and do this side. So I'm just gonna part it the way I want it to part for the curls I'm about to do. You know, I gotta do a quick little twisty wisty. I have a comb, but I never use a comb. So y'all see me start using my fingers, just know I'm not a comb person. And if I was a comb person, I'll never be a comb person. Only time I really use a comb is when I actually need to comb out the hair. Yeah, okay, that's good. I never do my left side first. It's a first for everything. So what I usually do, just to make it easier for myself, I get my little spray. Let's say it's gonna play my camera watch. And then what I do afterwards, I take the leave-in conditioner, which I'm actually going to use from one of my previous videos. It is the Emerge leave-in conditioner. So if you guys haven't seen my review on the Emerge hair care collection, it's available at Target and other department stores. You will see that I actually really like the leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna use it today. Again, I always usually use my homemade leave-in conditioner I got from a team member. You guys will also see that in the video. Again, it's going to be in the description box below. Check it out. So right now, I'm going to, what time is it? 3, okay. Do not panic. My husband will tell you I'm terrible with time, especially when it comes to getting ready. Oh, I'm a mess. Like, you have to tell me these things at least 3 to 4 hours before it actually happens, just so I can start getting ready 3 to 4 hours before we actually go. So I'm just gonna get that. The smell. I will always love the smell of this. So once I usually work that in my hair, I either get my Denman brush or a wide tooth. I'm going to use a wide tooth for right now, just to comb it and make sure the product's actually in my hair. Always start from the end and work your way up. You don't want to rake out your hair starting from the roots. And keep doing so till you feel like your hair has been combed thoroughly. It'll make it so much easier to part, so much easier to twist. See, look, see, look. Almost raked my head out because I missed a step. I wonder if y'all can see this, but I went to go get my nails done. Y'all find on camera with good nails. Look at that. No, you guys need to see. I'm zooming in. They actually look nice today, as you guys know, and as my babes know. My nails are usually, they look good, and then like 2 days later, I break a nail. However, it will not happen this time, I promise. But hopefully, yeah. So what I usually do is I part. I know a lot of people usually put in their curl defying cream by now, or if you do the LOC, the lock method, you're gonna put an oil then a cream. I do the LCO method, which is the leave-in, the curl defying, and then the oil, because oil is more of a. What a lot of people don't realize is that oil's more to seal in, whereas your curl defying curls and defines the curl. So you don't want to put more of a sealant before the defying, because you're really just sealing in whatever you have as right now. So I usually put in my oil last so that my curl is defined, and then I seal it. So that just works for me. A lot of people actually like the LOC method. They rather keep it. So go ahead, girl. I ain't gonna bug with you. Nice little one more drippity drop of the leave-in. Oh, you guys, I'm on day 3. Day 3, I'm using all Pacifica products for my day and night skin routine. Don't worry, I'm going to be doing a video on it soon. And it's actually 4 video. I wanted to do a whole week or 2 weeks of Pacifica products so I can see how it works on the skin. I literally stopped using all my other products besides the Palms Dry Cream and my sunscreen, because I didn't find a sunscreen in the Pacifica company. I was also looking at Target, but Target doesn't have it, so. And I know Pacifica has some creams, but I just can't let go of Pond's right now, so I'm not, I might get a Pacifica cream just so I'm true to it, but I'm not sure. This is not black castor oil, this is our Salon Pro or Argan Oil. I can't talk. Salon Pro Argan Oil formula from Morocco. It's called Hair Food. That's the company name. It's something I tried from the beauty salon store. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it'll do me justice. There's some oils out there that just be fake. We don't like them. But yeah, so I actually really like it. It's keeping me nice and smooth. And I look flawless. Like, it's kind of like more of a natural flawless than my other skincare routine, because people would say, oh my god, you have foundation on, and I'm like, no, I don't have any foundation on. Sorry. Sorry to crush the dream. I'm gonna start with the twist. I'm sure I'm sure a lot of you guys already know how to do a flat twist. I love doing flat twists, but I'm gonna show you guys. So what you're gonna do is take 2 pieces of your hair, starting from the root. You want to make sure you're grabbing the root, and you're going to tightly twist over one after the other. Then while you're twisting, you're going to grab a little bit more from the other side. So whatever you use, okay, let's say this is 1, 2. You're going to flip over 2. You're going to put 2 over 1. Once you get 1, you're going to grab a little bit of your hair from side 2. Start to twist it into the braid. So now you put 1 over 2. You're going to grab some more hair from 2. Flip 2 over 1. You're going to grab the last bit of hair. And flip. And then once you've grabbed enough hair from your scalp part, you guys can see, you're going to just twist it all the way. All the way through. I hope the Pacifica works well with my makeup. And that's how you do a flat twist. Let me. No, I went closer. Alright, so now that I backed up, now that you guys have seen me do it, I'm probably going to skim through this and zoom past it so you guys don't have to watch me do all of it. But I'm going to do that, and
that you had this for. Which bitch you know going hard, it's me. I'm a ride or die, and I don't need that. I'm gonna bounce that ass and drop that ass and pop it like a shootout. I pull them panties down, they smiling like they brought the food out. I hit up on their face and make my hips feel like a luau. I show you I'm a gang, now I wanna see what you got.
This is taking me forever. When people wonder why I don't do my hair, this is why. It takes me so long. Hopefully my hair looks pretty okay and I can get ready. BRB. The last part, I'm gonna style the hair. It is the time. Edge control. This is the Moco de Gorilla, basically Gorilla. It's not. In the orange cap, the punk one. Oh. Wait, did I just mess up my makeup? I don't know. I've never done this before. Don't mind me if I'm getting a little delusional. I'm late. Alright, so I'm going to start from taking my hair out from the first one. If you're one of those people who just to be taken out and not in the order that you've done it, meet me outside. Meet me outside. Like how? You didn't let it equally breathe yet. See what he's wearing so I know what to wear. Why did I watch Tommy Davidson before I started this? And if y'all thought Kevin Hart was funny, y'all about OGs. Tommy Davidson, bring back. We all know bring back. Martin before he started doing family movies. Who else is hilarious? Oh, what's that guy's name? Oh, I'm about to be upset. Oh, I also took off my lip color because I wasn't feeling it. I went in the bathroom. My bathroom told me the truth. She was like, "Girl, that is not the color." And I was like, "You're right." So I'm just gonna stick with my natural color and got a little gloss to it. Can't never go wrong with no gloss. Oh, but what's that guy's name? He looked like kind of has a pin-shaped head. Definitely not kind of chubby. He's big. Oh, he was funny. Of course, Dave Chappelle. Dave Chappelle's my favorite comedian, to be honest with you. Like, he's hilarious, and he's still hilarious, which is very hard to come by, because a lot of the OGs, like Chris Tucker, and I'm really about to get beat up for this one. Eddie Murphy. I don't think, bro, look, they definitely were giants when they came in the game. Like Chris Tucker, Eddie Murphy, Chris Rock. Like, they were funny back then. Like, now, I think, they've obviously grown, matured, and a lot of the times with comedians, they, talk about their life experiences, and unfortunately for us, they've grown to where they're matured a little bit, so obviously the older crowd can get their jokes, but younger crowd is more like, what are they even talking about? Which I think sucks, because I thought they were so funny. And when they talk about topics now, it's kind of like, ooh, well, it's not really that funny. And of course, everybody's like, oh, you're offending me. And I'm just like, crap. And then I hate, hold on 1 second, though. I hate when a comedian kind of doubles down and apologizes for being offensive, and it's just like, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way. Like, yes, you did. You said the joke, you meant it. Stay 10 toes. Always. Ooh, look at the girl. Look at the girl. Alright, come on, edges. Be like, period, poo. Period. I really could go like this. This would be the final look. I'm going to post pictures of the full outfit below. Well, no, not below. In a sec. Can you see it? No, you need to be seen. Oh. Well, good. It look good. This camera don't do me justice, y'all. I'm gonna be honest with you, because I look so much better in person. But that is the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching my Get Ready With Me. I know it was pretty long, probably a little boring. It's my first one. But you can like, comment, and share this video with all your friends. Subscribe if you're not already. Join the babes. And let me know what you guys think. What are your makeup routines? What are your tips? Especially for a newbie like me. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.
Help me stay.